Hello friends, I'm back with something really economical today. आपको पता है जैसे wedding season on था तो I was planning to do my facial daily cleansing, you can say that, but in a good or productive way, so that will remain for like 2 to 3 days for the wedding days. तो मैं तो अपना raw milk facial करने वाली थी, which is the best, I love the most. और but I thought why not I share with you guys a very good facial kit that is very good for the beginners. अगर आप पूरा facial kit afford नहीं कर सकते, or if you don't even have that and you want to do an emergency, not that emergency but kind of you want it in a really hurry and go to facial, then I have this two excellent products. And yeah, basically I think they are from India. Hello Indian, my friends. I never thought that I would say that, but since I have came across with all of you guys are so sweet and good. Why? Anyhow, I don't want to go into that, but hello friends, it's the hello to you guys. Okay, this is a 5-step facial kit और इसके अंदर ये facial herbal kit है. If you have sensitive skin and if you're afraid to try something new, then this is the herbal one, and this is the instant fairness fruit facial. और the best thing about it, if you open it, तो इसमें से ये sachets निकलते हैं 5. ये 5 sachets निकलते हैं, ये उल्टा है. ये 5 sachets निकलते हैं और इसके ऊपर step by step 1 2 3 4 5 steps को follow करके you can easily do your facial. अब if you are traveling to someone's house, मेरे case में I go to my mom's, or I don't want to carry the whole facial bottles, then this is the perfect thing to try. I'm not gonna lie, this is not my first time. I have tried and tested before. It is a good result. It has a good result. I am gonna follow these 5 steps in front of you guys, and I'm gonna show you that these are worth buying, worth trying, and do try it. And if you want a good facial, then this is the thing to go. So what I'm gonna do, should I try this one or this one? I think I'm gonna go with the fruit one. I will do this on my hubby's face. So okay, the first step is cleanse. I'm gonna open it, the cleansings, open it, and I'm gonna take out the cleansing part. By the way, I have done my bleach, and oh my god, it smells so good. इनकी prices भी बहुत reasonable है. I think एक packet 70 rupees का था, and there is only 2 flavors, not ice cream flavors, but okay, I'm gonna quickly cleanse and then I'll come back. Okay guys, it claims to have a deep pore cleansing, and it has watermelon and grapes extract or benefits into it. Okay, next up, number 2. There is number 2. Yeah, it's number 2. It says gentle scrub with apple and apricot. There are very good smell in these facial kits. I do like to scrub my lips as well, very gently in a circular motion. Scrub it off. और इसमें कुछ थोड़ी नहीं, काफी अच्छे खासे granules हैं for the scrubbing of your face. Okay guys, I'm back after scrubbing, and it was a very good scrub. My skin feels so soft. कोई इसमें moisture खत्म नहीं हुआ. It is hydrated. मुझे बिल्कुल dryness नहीं महसूस हो रही. This scrub is definitely doing its job. It's good. It's not bad. I'm repeating again that they are totally purely natural and safe. There is no side effect to it. And the next step is instant fairness massage cream. So I'm gonna massage my face with it, and I am gonna tell you guys that I may not showing on the camera, but I am doing my neck facial as well, and I'm cleaning it thoroughly. So this is the massage cream, and it is with pomegranate and peach. Okay, I love peach smell. वैसे एक बात तो है गाइस दैट अपने हाथ से मसाज लेने में वो मजा नहीं है जो स्पा में या पार्लर में या सैलून में जाकर किसी के हाथ से मसाज लेके और रिलैक्स होने का मजा है. So you can do your facial at home definitely, but you cannot relax at the same time. So इसके लिए you have to have someone else to get relaxed. ये तो है. Okay guys, for massaging, what you need to do is to, everyone says you have to do in a circular motion. So circular motion start with this pressure point. यहाँ पे pressure point डालकर circular motion and take it upwards. ठीक है? और फिर यहाँ पर एक pressure point. After this, take 2 fingers and put pressure on your eyebrows like this and lift your eyebrows like this. Again, start with this bridge of your nose and do it in a circular motion. Take it to your forehead and press your eyebrows like this. Okay, now come the cheeks. Start with your nose. और ये अपनी जो cheek bone है, यहाँ पर अपनी cheek bone है. If you can feel your cheek bone, start with your nose and take it towards your ears. जहाँ पर जैसे आप blush on apply करते हैं. Like this. Okay, nose पे आप thumbs ले लें, दोनों अपने thumbs को ऐसे कर लें, लेकर like this. Now come the lips. Okay, neck को भी आप इसी तरह upward motions में आप यूं मसाज करेंगे और ये जो आपकी jaw line है ना, ये neck के नीचे से शुरू करके यहाँ पे जो आपकी डबल चिन है बेसिक, इसको यहाँ ले जाकर इतना पुश करे अपने फेस को, इतना पीछे तक ले जाए जहां तक आप लेके जा सकते हैं. Start with your ears like this and push it backwards. Press that double chin and you will definitely feel a lift in your chin. So you have to keep doing it. Is your best friend. और सर्दियों के लिए तो ऑयली स्किन वालों के लिए हेवन है. We can apply anything. We can play with foundations. We can do all sorts of that stuff that we can't do it in summer. So after this beauty mask, I'll be back. Okay guys, I don't know about you guys, but my nose is shining, and this is the sign. Whenever my nose shines, I know that the thing I am applying is working. I have the last step remains, which is a fairness cream, and it is with papaya and strawberry. So I am gonna apply my last step, and then I'm gonna wrap the wig here. So good amount of this fairness cream. This is basically a moisturizer. They're calling it a fairness cream, but it's better to apply a moisturizer after you have done your whole facial, and that moisturizer cream should be the most good one. So everything that cream has to offer you penetrates in your skin very good, or penetrates into your skin much better and give you the full results of that cream. I'm also gonna apply on my neck as well. So that's it for today. This is my facial done, and I'll be back with tiny bit of makeup. Ta-da! I'm back with thoda sa makeup kiya, but I did go overboard with my eyes. I recently bought a new pink lipstick. How is guys? Keeping this. I don't know. I just keep buying the pink lipstick. I have to stop doing it. So this is the video. Hope you like my video, and if you do, then don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. That's it for today, guys.